So real quick, I found something. So Japanese people love their curry. It's it's similar to the Indian curry, not as spicy, but still good. But somebody in Japan said that they love it so much that they want to take it with them everywhere they go. So we have curry in a can. I guess it's just the curry sauce. I have no idea what it's gonna taste like, but I'm curious. So let's find out. Alright, we're gonna put it in. Alright, here we go. Curry in a can. Now I have no idea if it's gonna have like food in it or is it just the curry sauce, but here it is. Oh, it's nice and warm. And hold on, how am I gonna open this and film at the same time? Put this down. Here we go. Alright. Curry in a can, taste test. It smells like curry. And it's exactly what it is. Curry in a can. And it's weird. Yeah, no meat, no vegetables, no rice. It's just drinking curry. I don't know if I like this. I mean, it's not bad. It's just different. Okay, well, there you have it.